One missing guardrail, one distracted step. That is all it can take for a normal working day to become a life-changing incident. Hi everyone, Safety Sam here. Construction sites constantly change. As floors, roofs, and structures take shape, workers can be exposed to open slab edges, stairwells, shafts, floor openings, loading areas, and roof perimeters. Edge protection creates a physical barrier between people and a fall hazard. Unlike a warning sign, it does not rely only on someone noticing the danger. A properly installed guardrail helps stop the fall before it begins. It can also help prevent tools, materials, and debris from falling onto workers below when suitable toe boards, screens, or other falling object controls are installed. Under OSHA's construction requirements, workers on an unprotected side or edge, 6 feet or 1.8 meters or more above a lower level, generally require protection through guardrails, safety nets, or personal fall arrest systems. Remember, 6 feet is the OSHA construction threshold. Local laws or project requirements may require protection at a lower height, and those requirements must also be followed. A compliant OSHA guardrail is more than a piece of timber or warning tape. The top edge is normally 42 inches, plus or minus 3 inches, above the working surface. A midrail or equivalent protection is required when there is no suitable wall or parapet. The top rail must withstand at least 200 pounds of force, and intermediate members must withstand at least 150 pounds. Where falling objects are a hazard, OSHA-compliant toe boards must be at least 3.5 inches high and capable of withstanding at least 50 pounds of force. Never substitute caution tape, loose rope, or an unsecured improvised barrier for a properly designed edge protection system. Before work begins, identify every exposed edge and opening. Select the appropriate control, install it before workers are exposed, and inspect it regularly. Check that posts and fixings are secure. Confirm that top rails, mid-rails, toe boards, and gates are present where required. Look for damage, excessive gaps, or sections removed for material delivery. If edge protection is missing, loose, damaged, or incomplete, stop. Keep people away from the area, report the condition, and have the protection restored before work continues. ISO 45001 supports this proactive approach. Identify hazards, assess risk, implement effective controls, and continually check that those controls remain effective as conditions change. Edge protection is not just something around the building. It is a barrier between a routine task and a potentially fatal fall. Plan the edge, protect the edge, inspect the edge. This is Safety Sam. Stay alert, stay protected, and look out for others.